to Eye in the Sky Drones. Chances are if you're here, you like drones. Guess what? You're in the right place. Today we're going to take a look at the Mavic 3 with all of the changes and differences that has been put through. And we're going to look at some of the clips that I've been able to capture with the Mavic 3. When the Mavic 3 first came around, everyone said it was crippled. All the features wasn't available. It just wasn't what people were used to with the Mavic 2. But DJI did update after update. They fixed the GPS. They listened to their customers. And they fixed a lot of our gripes. Now, with the Mavic 3 and the Mavic 3 Classic, it's a more complete drone. So, look at some of this footage below. Tell me what you think. And tell me what some of the future shots you'll be capturing with your Mavic 3. said it time and time again, the Mavic 3 is a more complete drone. And they just keep giving us updates. I'm not going to be mad at them. Keep bringing the updates along. But I'm just so excited about what new content I can capture, what things I can create with all of the new updates and features added to the system. And I'm also excited to see what you can come up with and what you can create with your Mavic 3. Drop a comment in below, leave a link to your videos or somewhere we can view your pictures. I'll be glad to take a look at it, and I'm sure everyone else would like to see them. But that's all from Eye in the Sky Drones today. Thank you for watching. Always be safe and have fun flying.